All right, guys. Really excited to be back this week. It's Tuesday night. But we'll from now on be calling this the late night with Trade Society. Kind of catchy, right? Gonna go over a couple of trades with you real quickly. Turn this down a little bit. All right. A couple of pairs that I'm looking at to get traded in, and a couple of pairs that I actually got into trades earlier today. Um, First one is a new pair. I really don't trade this too often, but I saw the setup. So NZD USD uh, on the let's go to the daily. Right, we saw a strong rejection right here at this bottom level. And like I said last time when I was talking to y'all, I always color code my different support resistance just so I know the different strengths. Like you said, the bigger the chart, or you know, the weekly, the monthly, the daily, the stronger the support and resistance is. Okay, so I was being really patient with this. I saw this probably last week, or heard about it last week, however you want to look at it, because all of the traders talk anyway. We saw major rejection here, shot up, came back into the support level or the floor, and shot up again. Okay, so when we broke another daily support level, we broke, got to this 4 hour daily support, or you could call this a daily level as well, a daily high, right? Shot back down to this floor, and now it looks like we're in a little bit of consolidation, right? But earlier today, I saw it come down into this support level, so I was thinking, you know, let's see if it shoots back up, which it actually did. So I got into this trade, got about 30, 40 pips out of it. See, it was 30 pips, but didn't really risk that much because I knew this was a major floor. All right. So really, I'm just waiting on you see if we want to break this equal high right here. So this is either the ceiling, or however you want to call it, equal high. Right. See if it breaks this equal high. If we get a break of retest and a wick exactly. I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly, but a wick that looks like this candle right here, right? It's shooting away from the new floor, right? Then you get in for a buy, right? But before we do that, we're gonna actually look at the DXY, which is the dollar index. Reason being is if you're trading the dollar index, if you're trading something with the dollar in it, you should always be looking at the DXY, right? So last week we had a break high, right, and then a push back down, right, to our trend line on the daily, right. We see that we have sort of an uptrend, well, not sort of, but an uptrend, right. But we came down and pushed back down to the trend line, where since we broke underneath this ceiling that's right here, we touched this floor and popped up. Now it looks like we're retesting this ceiling, right? Because we had a false break here, right? Push down. Let's see if we can get back into this trend line before a push up. So that's why I'm saying NZD, USD, at least going up for another 30, 40, 50 pips, right? So we've taken a look at the DXY just a little bit, so we kind of know what it's doing, right? We have a push here, false break. Now we're getting a push back down. As you know, in the market, nothing can go straight up or straight down. So you got to put a strong push candle here, an inverted star. You want to call it a hammer, whatever candle you want to call it. All right, now we're getting pushed back down into this trend line. Another trade that is really good to look at is because we looked at, the DXY, and we're getting a good spot. Here is gold, right? So we know you're at a pivotal spot in the market because you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks in this area before we even get to here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 more wicks right back in here. So we circle all of that. So you know you're in an important area, right? We're having a hard time breaking through, just like we had a hard time breaking through here, and we had a hard time breaking through here, right? Let's see how he shot down, retested, and shot back down. So we had the same situation here again. So you always look left, look at your history, because the present will repeat the past. Always, always, always. Right. So major rejections here is then we shut down. So what do we think we're gonna do? Have a major rejection here. We're probably gonna shoot back down. All right. And since we shot down to here this last time, right. Here's an equal low for you, or a daily low. Right. So it looks like we're probably gonna shoot down into here. And you're not taking that much risk for gold, which is a great thing because gold can rip you apart. Right. So I will put it above your last high or an equal high. And just take it down to this low and not get greedy and get below this low. Let's just take a safe trade or a safer trade or a smarter trade, however you want to look at it. Right? What is that? It's giving me got a 3-to-1 ratio. Not a bad ratio, especially on gold. All right. So I'm gonna highlight this. There we go. Another trade I want to look at has nothing to do with USD pairs. See if I can find it. Gotta put it up. All right. As I did. All right. Euro odd. Okay. We have what it seems to be a downtrend. Of course, it's a downtrend. We got lower high, or lower low, getting a lower high, looks like, and then we're going to push back down, right? So we're just waiting for this to either break this equal high or equal low here, because look at this low to your left. Look at the low here, right? We'll see if we're going to break and give me a retest and push down. And just remember, you got to be patient sometimes because this is on a daily chart. You can always go down to the 4-hour, right? See if we get a clean break or retest, and then a push away candle is what I call it, right? So like a candle like this. This is a push away candle. Give me another one. This is a push away candle. Break, retest, multiple indecision candles, and then a push away candle. Right? So you have one here, break, right? I had to break through here, right? This is a push away candle, right in here, and we got to push down, right? So we're looking for a push away candle from this support level or resistance. Apologize. Equal highs, or you want to look at it as an equal low, push away candle. Give you another one, GBP CAD. Right, so we have a downtrend here starting. We had a major push away here on the daily. Push it down. Looks like to this equal low. Have multiple wicks in this area. That's how I say equal low. Right. On the 4 hour, you have a push away candle. You have a 4 hour, but we have no momentum because it's neither London nor the New York session where the Canadian dollar does most of its movement. So once I feel like we get the 12 o'clock close Central Time, we'll get some momentum and a push down. Right, so this equal low, looking about 100 pips. And even if you take it to this low right here, right, you still get 86 pips off of that. Not bad. Not a bad setup right there at all. Cool. All right. Well, those are the pairs that I'm looking at. So once again, I'm looking at NZD, USD, gold, what's this? Just XAUUSD. Okay. I'm looking at Euro Odd and UBCAD. I actually have a couple more. If you would like me to, I will go over those tomorrow. And like I said, thank you for watching Late Night with Trend Society. I will see you on the next upload. I will do a basics training tomorrow and probably look at a couple more pairs. All right. Thank y'all so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night.